Meteorologist Jeff Castle with 31 Triple Doppler.
Well, I got a feel for those folks.
And we have our own threat of severe weather later this week.
Yeah, we do. Obviously, of course, focused on the middle of the country right now with that increased chance for a significant tornado activity. But we're going to get a chance for some severe weather around here. It does not look to be of the same sort of magnitude. But, you know, we've been fairly fortunate thus far this spring severe weather season. There hasn't been a lot to track, but that changes by the middle of this week. Let's talk about it. The next big weather maker coming on in. This will be overnight Wednesday. So I do want to stress the importance of having a way to get weather alerts, whether that's with the Way 31 Storm Tracker weather app, a NOAA weather radio. That's going to be important just because most of this is going to come through while you are sleeping, the way it's timing out right now. All associated with a cold front that'll be moving into the Tennessee Valley, and that is going to bring a chance of severe weather along with it. We're working out the details right now. Mostly looks like a damaging wind threat, but of course this time of year, this sort of weather setup, can't rule out the possibility for hail and perhaps an even isolated tornado threat as well. Tomorrow there's also a low-end chance for a stronger thunderstorm. More on that in just a second. Pretty much during the day Wednesday, we're going to be fine. It's going to be Wednesday night into early Thursday, so that's what I'm going to highlight as we're expecting that round of potentially strong and severe thunderstorms coming through after midnight, Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And right now we'll say there's a medium risk for severe weather out of that. And then by Friday and Saturday, back to quiet conditions in the wake of that cold front. Now, a few thunderstorms have popped up this afternoon just to our north here, a little closer to the Nashville area. For the most part, these are just moving to the east, so we're not seeing at least a tendency right now for anything to build southward into our area, but we'll be keeping an eye on that here on Way 31 Triple Doppler for anything that may pop up here for far southern Middle Tennessee and northern parts of Alabama as we head into the early evening hours. But I'd say the threat is pretty low, and anything that were to form would be fairly isolated in nature. All right, let's take you through the latest details here with future radar. Again, we're pretty quiet out there right now. You saw the storms up towards Nashville. Most of tonight and the early part of the day tomorrow, not a whole lot going on. Some cloud cover to start the day. We're not going to wake up to rain like we did this morning. We hit the noon hour tomorrow, starting to perhaps see a couple isolated showers. And tomorrow afternoon, future radar not real aggressive with coverage of rainfall, but it does show the potential for an isolated, stronger thunderstorm. And again, there is that low-end severe weather risk for tomorrow. We head into Wednesday morning, maybe a few showers just to our north and skirting by as we work our way towards midday. But notice through late Wednesday afternoon, there's just not a whole lot happening. It's going to be later Wednesday night when things change. Here we go. After midnight Wednesday night, this is 2 a.m. Thursday morning. Round is strong to potentially severe thunderstorms stretching from Lawrenceburg to near Fayetteville there in southern Middle Tennessee. And these will continue to build and drop south into North Alabama heading into the pre-dawn hours on Thursday. Again, there's the potential that some of these could produce severe weather as they move through. And it looks like they'll move through pretty quickly. And by mid-morning Thursday should be a done deal for us with quieter conditions coming in heading into the weekend. There's your severe risk tomorrow. It's a level 1 across the area. So again, an isolated stronger storm may have a little wind, a little hail. That's what we'll be watching. But again, the main show coming in late Wednesday night, early Thursday. Warm and muggy tonight in the upper 60s, back into the mid 80s tomorrow with a few thunderstorms expected. Again, heading into Wednesday night, early Thursday, possibility for severe storms coming through. Temperatures will stay in the 80s in front of that cold front. Behind it, there is going to be a shot of some cooler air, highs back in the 70s, overnight lows down into the 50s as we work our way on into the weekend. But more importantly, heading into that weekend time frame, back to quiet weather just in time for your plans. So really one bump in the road here over the next 7 to 10 days, and that'll be around the midpoint of this work week.
You might have heard that audible gasp from me when you
cooler.
said 50s again.
Yeah, some cool mornings ahead.
All right, we'll take it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Jim.
Learning more